there is this thing that we need to understand, right? Especially those of us that are in the media team, maybe of a church or a conference, and maybe you find yourself behind the console, right? The aspect of planning your programs, the aspect of scheduling everything you are about to display. Normally the eyes tends to capture things that are impossible for us to forget. What I'm trying to say is that whatever the eyes capture, it is impossible for you to forget, right? So we tend to remember the things we see more than the things we hear. That's the importance of the person behind the console. I mean, you are as important as the presenter himself, right? So you need to understand the aspect of planning. The same way a presenter will plan himself before mounting the podium is the same way you have to plan yourself before you mount the console. You cannot just wake up in the morning and go back to the console to be displaying whatever you like or whatever you did not plan for. No. You have to take your time, plan everything. From the graphics you are going to display, the animation videos you are going to display, or you are going to use, especially also from the text that the font style, the font size are meant to be planned out. The backgrounds are meant to be planned out. I mean, literally everything should be planned out. You don't just do anything the way you want to do it. You do things because they need to be done well. In visual projection, we take these things into considerations. Your font styles, your font size, right? The videos you are projecting, the pictures you are projecting, are they in line with the settings of the conference? Are they in line with the settings of the church? And when I'm talking about the settings, I'm talking about the aesthetics, right, of the conference or the church. You need to understand that you give meaning to every single meeting. Whatever you display can literally make persons to understand whatever is being presented. And also it can literally make person to be misled. I mean, you have both the presenter and the audience in your hands. If you want to confuse them, you have the power to do so. If you want to carry them along, you have the power to do so. I mean, literally everybody is dependent on you. You are the foundation of every meeting. That's what you need to understand. So tomorrow, just wake up and mount the console because maybe you know the things that are meant to be done. You know how to connect camera, you know how to project. No. You need to make sure that everything you are about to display are being planned out in details. The font size, the pictures, the images, the animated videos, the backgrounds that you're going to use. Everything should be well planned out. So in my next edition, I'll be giving us some tips. The do's and the don'ts, and we have to do whenever we are the console. Ranging from pressure, being pressurized, the preacher shouting at you on the console, how to manage such scenarios. Join me in my next edition. It's called the Projector. Stay tuned and make sure you follow my page. Share. Thank you for watching.